get a story out of it. You get a story out of it. You get a story out of it.
And our story today is taking the drone, the DR, and myself, and all the other cameras up to Aishihik Lake. This is actually Otter Falls. En route. Let's go. Okay, the prism's gonna die here. Wild Bill's garage. Before it dies, I hope I can get this in. I've come about 100 and we're about 120 kilometers from downtown Whitehorse to the first gas station you're going to see going north towards Alaska. And this is Otter Falls. But I'm just going to pull in here and not to the gas station there. I'm going to make a right towards the Aishihik Dam and Otter Falls. And from here we're going to go on to gravel. So this is Otter Falls. There it is. They make a wicked hamburger. At least they did last time I was there. And this is the road to the Aishihik Dam, Aishihik Lake, Otter Falls. Right here. I did this with the DL650 once. And that's that. There's Otter Falls. We're coming out of the bush into the more civilized bush. I'm going to get some gas and see what's happening.
Oh, there's that soft sand stuff.
You cannot hit that with any speed. The results will not be good. And survived. This is very passable on a DL with the proper tires. Probably passable with the improper tires. So I'm going to pull over here, change the batteries, and let's head up. Oh, it says right here. Otter Falls are 30 kilometers. Aishihik Lake is 42. Cool. 42. So it says.
Hunters are encouraged to harvest cow bites instead of letting tail trappers moving there to 7 years. The birds coming 11%. Avoid moving last to find them to meet. Raising crack pitch for kill.
And they have, you don't shoot like this. You don't shoot them in the ass or the headshots. You want a side shot for a good. And there's their heart. Right there. Well, isn't that interesting? I got a little line there. Huh. Warm up a little bit. Crispy this morning. Okay. 40 kilometers of gravel to the Aishihik Lake campground. Never been there. Been to Otter Falls. That's really cool too. I did my DL650 ride up here. I had the hide nose in the front and back. The suspension on the V-Strom is a little lacking, but you just take your time. A lot of this is really smooth, and then it just gets broken up with potholes and those little ripples that make your kidneys settle in. Okay, we're just about at Otter Falls. How cool is that? No more vehicles now. Seen a few this morning, 2 or 3. Usually this road is quite empty. I guess 2 or 3 is still pretty empty, isn't it? So that's the Aishihik Lake there, I'm sure. We're just going to work our way down to it. And work our way is a good way to put it. So we got the campground there, and bridges, that's not, oh, let me read that again. Pole launch is closed. This goes to the campground. Let's go have a look. Okay, we did it. Aishihik Lake. 150 kilometers from my house. There's multiple ways to get to the lake. Here's the campgrounds. Look at that. Very nice. It used to be a beautiful place to hang out on the weekend and be away from everyone. Not too busy here today. There's a house there though. Oh, there we are. Look at that. Nice setup. Aishihik Lake. Well, I'll be dag-nabbed. You are in bear country. Yeah, don't we know that? Here's the water flow through here. They must open this up. Though I got one open right now. There's a couple there. Just beautiful clear water. Crisp and cold. You can bet there's grayling and Arctic char and maybe some trout in there. Who knows what? Pike. Bike. I said pike, not bike. Huh. Let's put the drone up. Prison power on. Look at that. What a nice way to spend a... Well, they got the slide out really roughing it there, huh? Yeah. Life is tough. Very nice. Well, I got the heated vest on even though it's 1:30 in the afternoon. And I could spend... You could come out here with the bikes on the trailer, really, and spend days traveling. Just there's so many trails, and this goes on way back to the end of the lake system. This is like a lake system, not just a lake. And very beautiful. Well, they got the flowers and everything. How nice. Wow. Well, we're pretty much at the Alaska Highway. You can see this part of the road is simply awesome. Very nice ride. Nice little view of Aishihik Lake. See if I can make it home. I've got 200 kilometers on this tank. I should be able to make it home. I can usually get close to 4, but I was boot scooting out here. Right on. Aishihik Lake. Waterfalls. Well worth the side trip. Yes, indeed. And that, ladies and germs, is Otter Falls Cutoff.